Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Pac-Man me. Let's go. You're going to have this face. None of these, and you want to make it yellow. You're going to make him bald. Now, you get these eyebrows. You may be wondering, why are we going to get those eyebrows? Well, you'll see. These positions. Pause the video anytime you need to and make them black. You want these eyes, these positions, and just keep them black. So you see that has made like got those kind of weird eyes just like that. So now you see this nose, these positions. You want this mouth, these positions. And pretty much every time, it doesn't matter what colour you change it to, because it's a black mouth, it's always something like that. You want this moustache. You may be wondering, why do you need a moustache? Well, you'll see. You want no beard. You want these positions. And you want to make it bright red. So that has made, if you look at it from far away or in a blurry way, it looks like it's got like a flat bottom and it's his tongue. Clever, isn't it? No moles. Gender male. You want roughly about these, but you don't. You can do that all the way up because that's just all the way up, so you can get that exact. But roughly about there. No glasses. Favourite colour yellow. And type in Pac-Man, but with a line in between the Pac and the Man. When you're done, you have made a Pac-Man me.